Good evening, and thank you all for coming in. My name is Griselda Hernandez, also known as Gracie. I'm married to Gerardo Hernandez. He's a retired police officer. We have 3 children together, Chelsea Hernandez, Jorge Luis Hernandez, and Jerry Hernandez. I am the daughter of Jaime and Elsa Sanchez, and we have a family of 6. I have 6 other sisters and brothers. I am a 1985 graduate from Del Rio High School. I continued my education at Southwest Texas Junior College in data processing, where I completed 60 college hours. 1988 was the beginning of my employment journey, and it started with 5 years at Del Rio National Bank, 18 years working with the Attorney General's office, 2 years as a deputy clerk with whom I'm currently employed. My qualifications extend from secretarial clerical responsibilities with all my prior employments. Under the employment with our National Bank, I performed the following duties as a teller, new accounts representative, and as a receptionist. During my 18 years employment with the Office of the Attorney General, I was an administrative assistant, performing duties such as leave, timekeeping, health insurance, office supplies, purchase requisition, inventory, travel arrangements. As an intake specialist, I gathered information in efforts to obtain a child support obligation by conducting in-office investigations to locate absent parents. As a safety officer coordinator, I made sure the Office of the Attorney General was in compliance with state and federal guidelines. As a volunteer trainer liaison, my duties were to receive, interview possible volunteers, and provide appropriate training to excel in the position assigned. As a child support officer, I performed in-office investigations of child support cases via computer, telephone, and face-to-face interview skills to determine appropriate course of action for the collection of child support, establishing paternity, original petition, enforcement of court orders, and in cases needed, to travel to surrounding counties that included Edwards, Kerr, Kinney, Zavala, Maverick, and Verde County. Routinely maintained over 400 cases, assisted the managing attorneys in court by processing cases through the legal system. As a notary public, notarized legal documentation as vested in me by the state of Texas. As a deputy clerk, I am responsible for docketing, indexing, collection fees, fines, and court costs held in litigation. I have been present in courtroom to file documents, take and administer oaths of defendants for final affidavits, and assist 63rd and 83rd judges in criminal hearings. As requested by attorneys directed by the court, prepare citations, capias, warrants, and subpoenas. Assist criminal and juvenile deputies in preparing documents needed for criminal courts, such as bill of costs for dependents, financial affidavits, and orders appointing attorneys. My reasons for seeking this office are first and foremost to give back to Verde County, personal and professional growth, which will give me a sense of accomplishment and personal fulfillment to help. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Garza. To answer the question at hand, my 3 main priorities and goals for district clerk are the following: customer service, networking, and technology. Verde County is, in essence, who I would work for. So in efforts to improve customer service, I would improve the following. As an employee of the district clerk's office, I have learned that cross-training is essential. I would incorporate and encourage opportunities for staff development by attending workshops and training sessions to improve their effectiveness and efficiency. By accomplishing this, we will facilitate customer service to the public and different entities, as well as acquiring the knowledge to handle different situations as they arise. In regards to networking, provide opportunities between justice-related agencies that will allow services to be performed in a timely and efficient manner to improve and strengthen public safety and to protect civil liberties. Disseminating records and information about court cases and the justice system that is timely and useful for all citizens. Use networking to enhance statewide updates that become available to our office and can be feasible to other entities such as any law enforcement agencies or government agencies. Not to mention that networking will expedite documents in a timely manner, but also ease communication between agencies. As a final point in regards to technology, I will update technology in the district clerk's office. By doing so, our office will not be limited to phone calls or inter-office mail to interact with other departments. I will establish email for our staff, which will allow us to send messages instantly without interrupting the recipient. This upgrade will also facilitate services to the community by offering them the choice of either coming into our office to file or allowing them to e-file from home. Society has made many strides in regards to technology. I would simply like to facilitate the use of electronics to include and simplify interactions with the district clerk. In conclusion, I hope to bring faster methods to help the public. I believe in being proactive in training to make changes to improve customer service. I will develop communication with other district clerks to discuss different ideas. I will research federal grants to help improve our county and integrate and update the use of technology. And again, I would hope to represent Verde County in a manner that exhibits pride, efficiency, integrity, and most importantly, good moral character. Thank you for your attention and consideration and voting for me as your next Verde County District Clerk. Thank you, and God bless.